Hey everyone, welcome to the blockchain and cryptocurrency course. In this video tutorial, we'll be looking into application of blockchain, how we can use and take benefit out of in real world, in which we will cover real world blockchain application like payment processing, money transfer, smart contracts, notary and distributed cloud storage and many other. So let's jump into it. First of all, smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-automated computer programs that can carry out terms of any contract. It is a financial security held in escrow by network that is routed to recipients based on future events and computer code. With smart contracts, business will be able to bypass regulations and lower the cost for subset of our most common financial transactions. Additionally, these contracts will be unbreakable. The term smart contract has been used since 1993, but now it's associated with blockchain thanks to the emergence of 2013, the Ethereum project. This project is decentralized platform that runs smart contract, application that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud or third-party interference. We'll be learning more about Ethereum and smart contract in future videos. Financial services. Blockchain financial services are redefine the existing rails of our current financial market. Areas of this sector experiencing significant activity range from backend clearing and settlement to global capital market architecture. Distributed ledger system in some of these cases do not need to be entirely decentralized, and several financial institutions are looking at creating their own private blockchains. Governments. Electronic voting system is hackable. Computer scientists say a hacker can rig the electronic system to manipulate votes. The ledger would prevent this since votes became encrypted. Private individual can confirm their votes were counted and confirm who they voted for. The system saves money, by the way, for government too. The blockchain ledger also provides a platform for what we call responsive open data, freely accessible government sourced data that is available over the internet to all citizens. If governments start using blockchain in other areas, then data might be very helpful. Startup can use this data to uncover fraudulent scheme, farmer can use it to perform precision farm cropping, and parents can investigate the side effects of medicine for their sick children. Right now, this data is released only once per year or on certain intervals, largely non-responsive to citizen input. The blockchain as a public ledger can open this data to citizens whenever and wherever they want. Digital identity. Blockchain technology provides an ideal engine to power digital identities. While digital identities are emerging as an inevitable part of our connected world, how we secure our online information coming under intense scrutiny. Blockchain-based identity system can provide a solution to this issue with hardened cryptography and distributed ledgers. We carry a range of identification, our driving license, computer password, identity cards, keys, social security ID, and so forth. Blockchain ID is a digital form of ID that is engineered to replace all these forms of physical identification. In the future, fintech scientists say you will be able to use the one digital ID for signing up at any registrar. It is open source, secured by blockchain, and protected by ledger or transparent account. Healthcare. Personal health records could be encoded and stored on blockchain with private key, which would grant access only to specific individuals. The same strategy could be used to ensure that research is conducted in a secure and confidential way. Receipts of surgeries could be stored on blockchain and automatically sent to insurance provider as a proof of delivery. The ledger too could be used for general health insurance management, such as supervising drugs, regulation compliance, testing results, and managing healthcare supplies. Blockchain insurance allow for the entire insurance industry to dramatically optimize business processes by sharing data in efficient, secure, and transparent manner. using blockchain to revolutionize insurance policies, shift system onto smart contracts operating automatically on peer-to-peer network, helping to phase out antiquated pen and paper processes and eliminate red tape. Insurance industry is notoriously riddled with. Internet of Things. Any material object is a thing. It becomes an Internet of Things when it has on-off switch that connects it to internet and to each other. By being connected to computer network, the objects such as car become more than an object. It is now people things and things. But how does the IoT affect you? Your printer can automatically order cartridges from Amazon when it runs low. Your alarm clock will change your time for brewing coffee. These are just some examples. On a larger scale, cities and governments can use IoT to develop cleaner environments, more efficient energy, and so-called smart cities. Supply chain. Supply chain sensors give companies end-to-end visibility of their supply chain by providing data on location and condition of the supply as they are transported around the globe. As of 2016, a Deloitte surveyed 99 leading supply chain companies and found that sensors were used by 44% of these respondents. 87% of these industries said they plan to use technology by 2020. The technology is expected to grow to 1 trillion by 2022 and to 10 trillion sensors by 2030. According to this SME Deloitte and MHI report, the blockchain stores, manages, protects and transfers this smart information. Managing the modern, often global supply chain is a series of intensive processes that require perfect orchestration between many moving parts and actors. Linking and creating the links to distribute goods and services looks much more like a web than a chain in our increasingly smaller global world. Music. Key problems in music industry include ownership rights, royalty distribution and transparency. The digital music industry focuses on monetizing productions while ownership rights are often overlooked. The blockchain and smart contract technology can circuit this problem by creating comprehensive and accurate decentralized database of music rights. At the same time, the ledger and provide transparent transmission of artist royalties, real-time distribution to all involved with labels. Players would be paid with digital currency according to the specified terms of the contract. So folks, let's quickly revise what we have seen in this tutorial. We have seen various blockchain applications like smart contracts, financial services, application for governments, digital identities on blockchain, blockchain in health sector, in Internet of Things or IoT, supply chain and music. So folks, this was all about application of blockchain. Stay tuned for more about blockchain. Thank you very much.